These babies are preening. These babies are 2 months old, and both of these two are going to their new homes today. So this is my last little video of them. And this one on the right is definitely going to be a talker, because I can hear him making those little sounds that they make just before they start to make words. Now this guy over here is not talking because he's too busy in the jar eating. Trying to eat his way through a whole jar of oat groats. Well, it's not gonna happen. He's like, you get out of there and let me get some. Yes. Funny babies. Over here. Oh, down he goes. Yep. Both of them this afternoon are going to their new homes. 2 different homes. And the oat groat eater. No, not the oat groat eater, not this time. They changed. This little guy right here is staying with me. He's staying with me, aren't you? Well, funny. Budgies are the funniest little runners. Anyway, that's the last time we're going to see these little fellas, except for maybe when their new people send me pictures, because I love that. I love when they sent me picture updates. Usually it's because they're being nice and spoiled. I love that too. Everybody should spoil their birds. Yes! Nice toys, nice food, nice attention. Nice life for birds. Right, guys? Yeah. Well, I'm going to take that jar away now because they're just pigging out on it. And it's good for you, but you can't eat the whole jar. You can't, so turn off the camera and take the jar away. See you later, guys.